These Jamaican honey ginger lamb chops are glossy, spicy, and straight chef level, and I'm showing you how to make them in minutes. I'm starting with 4 lamb chops and I'm going to season them boldly. I'm using salt, black pepper, crushed pimento, fresh thyme, grated ginger, and smashed garlic. I'm going to let them sit for about 20 to 30 minutes so the seasoning really sinks in. For the side, I slice sweet potatoes into rounds and I'm going to season them with pimento, smoked paprika, thyme, and a small touch of brown sugar. You're going to roast them until the edges are caramelized and the centers are soft and creamy. Now for the glaze, a pineapple tamarind gastrique. In a small pot, you're going to combine pineapple juice, tamarind puree, brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, and a pinch of pimento. You're going to simmer until it gets thick, syrupy, and shiny. And once it starts to coat the back of a spoon, it's ready to take off the heat. And this glaze is what's going to make these lamb chops unforgettable. Now let's build that crust. I'm dropping these 4 lamb chops into a hot pan, and you don't want to touch them. Let them sit and develop that deep golden brown color on the bottom because that's the flavor. Now once the edges start to caramelize, go ahead and flip them. And look at that crust. That's exactly what we want. Rich, brown, and glossy. And this is where the lamb starts to taste like it came out of a restaurant kitchen. Now I'm adding the aromatics, smashed garlic, fresh thyme, grated ginger, and a little minced scotch bonnet. And as soon as they hit the pan, everything becomes fragrant. The ginger is going to wake up, the thyme releases its oil, and the scotch bonnet brings that warm Jamaican heat. Now, as the butter melts, it mixes with the honey and the aromatics in the pan and it turns into this beautiful sweet heat baste. You're going to tilt the pan and start spooning that butter right over the lamb. You're going to keep basting because this is how you build shine, flavor, and that signature sticky crust. The butter foams, the honey caramelizes, and the lamb just drinks it in, and every spoonful is going to add another layer of flavor. This step right here is what makes these Jamaican honey ginger lamb chops look and taste like fine dining. Now for plating, I'm keeping it clean and elevated. I'm stacking the sweet potato rounds right in the center to build a solid base. Then I'm adding 3 lamb chops, leaning them against each other to create height and give that restaurant style presentation. I'm brushing on a little extra glaze for shine, then finishing with lime zest around the rim for brightness and a sprinkle of scallions for that fresh pop of green. Simple and